Now the next type, the next part of the tense is future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. See the name continuous, it is the name itself tells that the work or the action is going on at the time of speaking, but here we are talking about future, so the action which is going to happen somewhere in future, the time nobody knows when, but here it is showing in future. See, an action that will be going on at some time in future, an action that will be going on at some time in future means कोई काम future में बोलने के टाइम पे हो रहा होगा, at that time when we are speaking, at that time that action will be going on. This is known as future continuous tense. What is the rule? How to use? Here see, again use of will or shall, this you have to do in future. Always remember, will and shall are always used in future, but there are some more additions to be added according to the parts, according to the parts of the tense. See, will be, here we'll add will be or shall be, okay, plus ing. Continuous में ing होता है. If you remember in the other tenses also, continuous means the use of ing with the main verb, with the use of ing with main verb, okay, principal verb, main verb which you say. See the example, she will be teaching English from tomorrow. She will be teaching English from tomorrow. Here again, if I divide it, if I tell you according to the rule, see, she, it's the subject. With she, what do we use? Will. Okay, according to the rule, be. Alright, teaching. Now this is the ing form. What is the main verb here? Teach. What is this? The main verb, principal verb. So by adding ing to this teach, what it becomes? Teaching. What it becomes? Teaching. Okay. She will be teaching English from tomorrow. Tomorrow means future. At the time of speaking and in the future, when this action will take place, at that time the teacher will be teaching. So this is known as future continuous tense. I'll give you one more example of use of we. How to use we? See, we shall, remember the rule, okay? We shall be arriving at 4 p.m. on, suppose today we are talking, today is Tuesday and we have to talk about in future. So on Wednesday, according to the time it works. Okay, we shall be arriving at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. See, subject is we. See, according to this, shall be. Now this is the ing form. Again the same thing, and the main verb is this, arrive. Here is the spelling change. There are some change in the spelling also made. Arrive. The original spelling of arrive is A-R-R-I-V-E, arrive. So to make it arriving, what do we have to do? We have to remove E and add ing. Now it is arriving. So we shall be arriving at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Means we are talking about future. Okay. So in this way we use future continuous tense, an action that will be going on at some time in future. Okay students? Okay.